What's going on, guys? So in this video, I'm going to break down Go High Level White Label SaaS business model and how you can build a monthly recurring revenue without actually really building a product or having any tech skills or need any coding skills or anything like that. So some of you might not know what Go High Level is, and if you don't, it is a all-in-one platform. So in that platform, you can build out your sales funnels, CRMs, automations, all in one system. It will replace multiple tools like MailChimp. It builds out your funnels. You can email blast, SMS blast. You have your CRM opportunity systems, automations, follow-ups, etc. Literally all done with inside of Go High Level platform. And the cool thing about Go High Level is you can white label it and resell it as your own branded software. So we use Go High Level, and I've built and used so many different CRMs, Salesforce, Podio, so many different build outs, and I've always outgrown them in my own business. And once I came over to Go High Level and I built my entire operation inside of here, it's just a platform that I don't think I'll ever be able to scale out of and outgrow. I think this platform is amazing. They have so many tools. They have so many different systems and automations inside, and they're always constantly upgrading and updating and investing into their platform to make it better. So in my opinion, Go High Level is one of the best CRMs to use in your own business. It does come blank, and you do have to build out your own automations, etc. They do have some stuff that you can use, but to really fine tune it to your business model, you really got to play around with it and build out some automations. And if you are a business and you are looking for a built out custom CRM as the sales CRM, AI, agents, voice agents, and everything all in one, you can reach out to us and you can hire us to build it for you, or you can use our Flex Connect system. In this video, I'm really just going to show you how you can use Go High Level to white label and resell to make money. So inside of Go High Level, obviously, you can use this for your own system, right? You can use it for your own business. You can use the CRM, the automations, everything for running your own business. And then the cool part about Go High Level is they have a $497 month version. And in that version, you can white label and pretty much take their whole entire platform and white label as your own. Add your own branding, your logos, colors, add your own domain, and you control the pricing. Go High Level handles obviously the back end. They're the whole entire back end. You get their customer support. Obviously, any maintenance or anything that they're doing to the system, you'll always get to be able to use. So it's awesome part. You can literally just start making money and start reselling the system, all without actually having to build the actual system with coding or anything like that. You just take exactly what they have, you rebrand it, you make your automations, you pick your niche, and you start selling. So it's super, super cool. And how you can make money doing this. And what I've done for my business and Flex Connect, I started building out on Go High Level for my real estate business and a brokerage here in Tampa. And from there, I built out all the automations, everything that I would need in my real estate business. That's how I kind of got started and started using it for my real estate business and a brokerage here in Tampa. And, you know, when I did that, I started kind of posting some results that we're getting on my social media. And I had a couple people start hitting me up, asking if they can get that built out. And that's when I decided, you know, let me start rebranding this, go to the white label version on Go High Level, rebrand it, make a brand around it, and go into the real estate niche and sell these automations to real estate people, realtors, wholesalers, investors, land investors, etc. So that's what I started to do, and that's when I got that vision on, started taking off, and not necessarily taking off, but people started reaching out to me. I was like, oh, this is a good product for this marketplace. People are interested in this, so I started rebranding it, started creating my pricing points, and started reselling it. So you can price this however you like. Your cost to Go High Level to white label is $497 a month, and you can sell as many sub accounts as you like. So your cost is $497. You can sell all those sub accounts, as many sub accounts as you want, for whatever prices you desire. You can literally pick your prices. So a couple different, pricing packages to, start off on. You could do like a 97 starting price, monthly subscription only. You could do a premium tier, which is higher packages, maybe some more automations, etc. for $497 a month. You can even include some setup fees, 1,500 plus setup fees done for you automation builds. When I first started Flex Connect, I did a $2,500 build out fee plus $97 a month. So that was my first offer for about a year. It's $2,500 setup fee, $97 a month, and I ran with that for a year, a little bit over a year probably. And then I came out with some other tiers, and now I have 3 tiers and switch all my tiers. And I'll get into that in another video, but Yeah, I mean your cost is $497 to white label, so you got to just make it make sense. If you do $297, $197, $997, you just got to see how many people you need to get to break even at that $497 a month cost to you, and then from there it would be all profit. So it's really cool how you can just kind of just really pick your pricing, you know, and do it however you like. So why this model works and why it's so awesome is, you know, obviously there's so many businesses, guys, everywhere. There's always businesses coming. There's always businesses going, always popping up, whether it be in a healthcare industry, a, you know, home service, solar, roofing, dentists, med spas. There's so many different industries you can get into, and all these businesses need a CRM to actually scale. And especially now with AI coming out and all these things coming out, AI and the new tech is really what's going to be needed. And these businesses, and especially me being in business, I have used so many different CRMs I've outgrown and had to get new automations and spending time. And if you can provide a full system with the CRM, the automations, the sales pipelines, the funnels, literally everything inside of Go High Level, and you can offer that to a business, and they will never be able to outgrow it. They'll stay with you forever, because changing CRMs and changing the whole entire process kind of sucks as a business. So if you can give them a platform that they'll never outgrow, and they'll always be able to scale inside of this system, and leverage all the new technology with AI bots, AI texting, all the automations to help them automate the whole entire follow-up process, the prospecting, so many different things inside of Go High Level. So it's in my opinion, a very, 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 very good offer and product to offer businesses, because these businesses need this to run and thrive and survive. And it's a great model because of recurring revenue. You know, you guys, it's like buying a rental property. When I used to wholesale real estate, I used to have to work, close deals. You know, I was chasing the next check. When I started buying some rental properties, you know, you were getting that monthly payment, the passive income, but you were also dealing with the maintenance. If you didn't have a property manager, I was dealing with the tenants, and it was still headache and risk for me to buy this rental property. Now, why I love this model so much is because it's similar to buying rental properties, except for you don't have the risk of purchasing properties. You don't have to get big loans. There's essentially no risk to you to start this business, except for maybe a couple, you know, very little money to start versus buying a rental property. So you get that recurring monthly income from your clients, obviously, until they cancel, if they cancel. So the best thing is to have that low churn and provide this for companies, because if you have a good system, a lot of them are not going to churn and not going to cancel, and they'll stay with you for a while, for long times. I've had clients with me when I first launched to still staying with us because it works, and they're not going to outgrow it. So it's a recurring revenue, predictable monthly income. So, you know, as long as you have the clients and they're paying every single month, you're going to get that passive monthly recurring revenue. There's no coding needed. You don't need to know how to code. You don't need to know how to do any of that stuff to build out your white label. It's very, very simple. Not simple, but YouTube videos, and you can pretty figure it out. There's no coding needed, so it's really, really easy to figure out. Easy fulfillment. It's simple to deliver and maintain the system to your clients, and have that onboarding process, SOPs in place, and videos and trainings in place to onboard them and then get them right, get them started. And it's just super easy fulfillment for you to maintain your clients. It's not crazy at all. And like I said before, guys, there's huge demand. Every business needs automations, especially now with AI becoming big. These businesses are looking, they're searching, and every business that needs a CRM to run and survive. So it's a great model. Now, what you can sell with it inside the Go High Level white label, you can literally sell so many different packages. And for us, we sell it all in one as an AI infrastructure package with the CRM, the AI chatbots, AI voice bots, the automations, the follow-up automations, the appointment booking, everything that we have all in one. You can run your Facebook, Google ads out of there, automations for that, everything. So we sell it as a whole package, but you can even just sell like the AI solutions, the chatbots, the voice automations, marketing systems, funnels, booking platforms, client engagement, follow-up and lead nurturing, reputation tools, review management systems, CRM, just a CRM build out. You can do all your social media posting and everything from inside of Go High Level. You can literally do everything you can think of, and you can sell it as a whole. You can have like different type of niches and different type of automations you can sell to, like a missed call appointment or missed call text appointment automation. Like there's so many different automations you can just sell, or you can sell like a big infrastructure package. So it's so cool how flexible and how so many different things you could do. It's literally And mine blows me sometimes, and I'm always figuring things out, and I'm always learning new things inside of Go High Level, so it's just amazing. And what you need to get started, obviously, to even white label, you need a Go High Level agency plan, which is $497 a month. You need a branded domain, a domain you can get from Namecheap, and you want to start building out your automation templates and snapshots to use and resell, and obviously a lead generation strategy to acquire clients. So that's pretty much really all you need to get started. And then how to scale. Guys, you need to obviously pick your niche. Focus on one industry is my opinion. Always focus on one industry. For me, it was just real estate wholesaling, and I scaled that, and now we're working with other companies and industries. But I always recommend picking one niche. You can build out the templates for that niche inside of your Go High Level white label. Pick all your numbers and your offers and your pricing. And yeah, I recommend don't obviously hire fulfillment or VAs to handle any of that stuff until you're past the 10, 15K a month mark. And yeah, and then you should start selling the systems with your pricing. You can start automating the process after you start getting some more clients and working with some clients hands-on. And then from there, it's really just scaling, hiring fulfillment, and running ads, doing more DM outreach and lead generation strategies to bring in more clients to book more demos. So as you can see, this is just some of my results. So we typically do anywhere from 1 to 5,000 a day in our Flex Connect business, and we do about anywhere from 10 to 15K a week. And this is inside of my Flex Connect business. So these are just some of our results for Flex Connect, and we have about 300 clients now, and all in different pricing packages and different things that we have them on. But that's just some of our results. And what we do in Flex Connect, and all we do is, our main model is white label, go high level, and build out automations and help businesses scale. So with AI, chatbots, voice bots, all the automations I kind of laid out in here, guys. So I have a free AI Profit Lab school program where it shows you guys more in-depth videos on building out automations, go high level mastery. You can even book a free 30-minute AI strategy with us inside. So I'll put the link in the description, guys, and you can feel free to join our community. We have over 500 people in there right now, and it's a great community to be in. Lots of cool entrepreneurs, other agencies, other people reselling AI as well. So lots of value inside of there. It's completely for free. You can click the link in the description and join our AI Profit Lab. And I hope this video helped, guys. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you have any other video recommendations that you want to know a little bit more on, I will obviously put out more videos of me inside of Go High Level showing automations, stuff like that. But yeah, if you have any recommendations on videos that you want to see or any questions, shoot them below in the comment section, and shoot a like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.